Schoology is our daily gradebook. Schoology is found at Schoology.com. If you don't have a Schoology account, sign up as a parent. Use the access code we've sent you for your student and continue. Then create your own credentials for your account and register. If you already have a Schoology account, you can log in here. Click Forgot Your Password if you need to. When you log in, you'll view Schoology as your student. If you have another student to add, you can add them from your profile settings by clicking Add Child and use the code that we've sent you. The landing page will show updates, submissions, comments, and grades posted by school administration and teachers. The right side will show course grade and assignment information for all courses. The Courses tab will show you all the courses the student is enrolled in, as will the Enrollments tab. The Enrollments tab will also show you an overview of grades once teachers have begun adding marks for summative work. Click to enter a course, and you can click on Materials to see your student's work. You'll also see any directions or rubrics a teacher might have there. You can only see work that's posted by your student. You can click on Grades to see specific scores and the overall grade for the semester and categories. If the teacher is reporting on mastery, you may see reports in the Mastery page. Click on the Launchpad logo to return to the landing page. You can also see grades from the Grades menu, where you'll see the same grade information as you did on the course grade page. Any grade that has a rubric icon will also show you the rubric and any notes that a student received on that rubric. You can download a student report as well. Make sure to choose the correct semester and the courses that you'd like a report for. Click the back arrow after you've printed the page. If you'd like to receive email notifications, go to the Profile drop-down and choose your settings. In your notifications, you can turn on an email grade report that you can configure for email times, or you could also turn on an overdue submissions email. Parents can also join classes. Switch to your personal profile and click on Courses and join a course. Paste the access code that we've sent to you, and you can join the Parent and Guardian resources. This is where the administration will post important community information and resources.